Look at that. So beautiful. And then we're gonna pour it all inside. Woo! Whoa! Whoa! Look at that! That's insane! It's pink. Run! Just don't leave it up there, it might fall. Whoa! Whoa! Success! Oh my gosh! And then simply I'm gonna put it upside down. Whoa! Whoa! No way! It went behind the garage! It went so high! This is insane! And simply I'm gonna put it upside down. Woo! Whoa! No way! Try this again. The trick is to put very little bit. If you put too much, it doesn't work that well. Wow, look at that, so many of them. Whoa, this is so awesome. Right, going to dump it right in the middle. Woo! Oh my goodness! Wow! Look at this cloud! Woo! Oh my goodness! Wow! Look at this cloud! This is insane! No way! This is way better than dry ice! Check this out! The wind makes everything to go away, but wow! Look, there's liquid nitrogen floating in here too. Check this out, the lines of the liquid nitrogen just floating on the water. That's so awesome. First of all, we're gonna pour a bunch of liquid nitrogen inside of this bowl. Wow, that looks so awesome. I love liquid nitrogen. Boom, just like this. And then here, whoa, it makes such a crazy noises. And right here I got soap bubbles, and I'm just gonna blow bubbles right into the liquid nitrogen. I keep missing. Well, look at that. It's floating, but it's all ice now. Can you see it? Wow. Let's see it close up. Look at them. There's a bubble, it's floating, and look, it turns into ice. And it's not even touching liquid nitrogen. Look at that, it's ice. Wow. Look at them, they just float. But then it turns into icicles, and they still float. Why do they float? Let me know in comments below. Why don't they just touch the liquid nitrogen? Look, there's a giant bubble. I'm gonna put it, whoa! I can't even touch it to the liquid nitrogen, it just freezes. Look at this. And it's floating, and boom, it's frozen to ice. Oh, that's a big one. Here you go. Halfway, it's already turned into ice, and boom, wow, and it pops, and the rest is ice. Wow, this is so crazy. What will happen if I just pour soap mixture into the liquid nitrogen? Whoa! Whoa, oh my gosh, it's so much fog. This is insane. What is going on? Oh no! Whoa! What is this? Whoa! Check this out. What is that? This is so crazy. It's all bubbled up and froze. Look at this. This is like soap now. There's still liquid nitrogen in that. Look at that. This is just ice. Icy soap. We made snow. Right? Hopefully it doesn't overweight. Oh no! That was loud. Look look what I have left out of this little bottle. Almost nothing. Wow. Alright, can you check it out? We're going to freeze it, hopefully, like turn it into ice, which is already cold.
Freezing liquid nitrogen.
Yes.
Sounds impossible.
It's already minus 300. So we got liquid nitrogen over here.
Oh boy.
And we're going to pour it inside.
This stuff's
of it.
amazing. Oh, woo, look at that. Okay.
Just like that. And now we're gonna turn it on and let's see what happens. Look at this vacuum, it's like
frozen.
Yeah, it's getting cold.
Oh wow.
Let's just wait.
Oh,
He go! Oh my god, whoa, you see it? It turned, whoa, look at it! It's ice! It's turned into ice and then it stops. Whoa! Did you see it? Look!
It popped.
Ice, boom, back to liquid. Whoa! I got here a beaker and then I'm just gonna put balloon over it. Hopefully this time it will not break. Carefully, boom, just like that. Actually, I'm gonna put straw in there and I blow up the balloon. Just kind of halfway blow up a balloon, no big deal. Next, what we're going to do is just put liquid nitrogen in here. And then we're going to put this beaker inside of liquid nitrogen. Let's see what happens. Look at the balloon. It's getting smaller and smaller and smaller. And guess what? I'm not even taking out any oxygen from the beaker at all. I'm just cooling off the air inside of the beaker, that's it. What I want to achieve to get that balloon so cold to where that balloon gonna go inside, all the way inside. Wow, look how much that balloon just shrunk. Now I'm just gonna help it a little bit so it gets sucked in inside there. And look what's going on now. And I'm using thorns so my hands don't warm up any air inside of the beaker. Let's see how much will it get expand inside of this beaker. Now let's pull it out and ice inside of it. You see it? I think my breath is pretty much got frozen. Now we're gonna leave it like this. Now look at that. Look at that balloon. Oh my gosh. Oh wow, it popped out. Whoa, so fast. And it's self-filling back up again. Isn't it cool? Pretty cool experiment, don't you guys think? Now I'm gonna get the super conductivity piece and stick it into the liquid nitrogen. Let's wait till it cools off. Maybe I put too much liquid nitrogen, oh well. As you can see, it stopped boiling because it's cooling off pretty good right now. Now let's put neodymium magnet right on top of it. It keeps falling off. Gotta get that sweet spot. Here you go. Boom. And oh, it's easy to get it unstable. Here you go, look at this. Let's try to get it to spin. Look at this, it's just floating out there. How awesome is that? All the liquid nitrogen is gone, but look, it's still levitating because it's still cold. Let me try to get it to spin. How awesome is that? Boom. And place this light bulb into liquid nitrogen. And then I'm going to plug in the wire. And let's see what happens. Isn't it amazing? It's turned on, but it's not blowing up. How crazy is that? Broken light bulb in a liquid nitrogen and it's not burning out. It just turned on. And as you know, filament is hot, but liquid nitrogen is super cold. How come it does not blowing out super hot and super cold? and it does not burn out. Pretty amazing, huh? I love it. I can watch this all day. And now I'm gonna take it out and see what happens. Boom, and it burnt out. Okay, I'm just going to grab my tongs and dip it in liquid nitrogen. Boom, look at that. All the liquid nitrogen boiling in there. Isn't that beautiful? Looks like just like water. Okay, let's dump it out. Boom. Whoa. Did you hear that noise? And here's the pennies. The brighter ones are zinc pennies. The darker ones are copper. Okay, let's give it a little smash. Nothing really happens to this, huh? Nothing happens. Now let's hit a zinc penny. Boom, look at it. It's fell apart. Look at that. It just smashes in pieces. Wow. It's crazy, isn't it? Whoa, this one completely fell apart. Look at that. Just smash in few pieces. Now the copper pennies, I can smash it, and they're not going to break. Isn't it crazy? Why is that? Let me know in comments below. With nitrogen, and we'll pour it in a bowl. Okay, and now I'm just gonna put these balloons inside of it. Let's see what happens. Whoa, look what happens to those balloons. That's so cool. Wow, this is so awesome. Too much fun. Wow, it turns out like a paper. They don't even pop, they kind of deflate. Oh, sink it all the way in. Wow, this is so awesome. Couple more. We definitely need to help it for it to deflate faster and sink it in. Let's try a bigger one. Well, I used a little bit too much of a liquid nitrogen. Maybe I'll just pour it back when I'm done. Wow, look at this. This whole big balloon is shrinking as well. Here you go. Oh, it got stuck.